Hello YouTube. This week's video is going to be about time-lapse. I mounted a GoPro mount on top of my camper facing out over the top. I have seen it done before on another YouTube channel and I liked the effect you got with it and I decided I wanted to try it. Traveling Robert, I believe, is the name of the YouTube channel, and I want to give him credit because he's where I got the idea. So yes, it's not an original idea. It is another YouTuber that I had gotten the idea from, but I mounted a GoPro up on top of the camper, and I wanted to see what it looked like, and I'm really pleased with it. And also with the GoPro, I did a time lapse during the real major storm that we had a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to show you that too. And it was just shy of 2 hours worth of video. I ran it at 2,000% and fast forward, and it came out really nice. So I figured I would put that one up there too. Now the destination for the GoPro on top of the trailer was going from Lake Panisofsky, which is a very beautiful place, free camping. It's water management, Southwest Florida Water Management Department, or is it? Yeah, something like that department. The D stands for something or another. I don't know. Anyway, you do need to apply for a reservation, and it shouldn't be an issue as long as there's no hunts that are scheduled. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's toward the middle of Florida, east of Tampa, northeast of Tampa. Beautiful place. But then we went from there down to Lee's garage, where I had a new radiator installed in my van and fixed the right front tire that had a leak in it that I didn't know had a leak in it. As a matter of fact, John got some work done on the bus, and Lee took really good care of us. Well, Lee and Tina. Tina is Lee's wife, and she works in the office. Lee works in the garage, and I'm going to be honest with you. Lee was so busy working on another vehicle, Tina started working on the van, and she got down and dirty up underneath that van, and I was very impressed. As a husband and wife team, they make great partnership in business and family at the same time. So hats off to Lee and Tina. I will put a picture in the video with Lee's logo on top of his garage that gives you the phone number and everything, so that way if you need anything in his area, then I definitely recommend taking your vehicle to him. And he does everything from big trucks, campers, RVs, cars, motorcycles, small engines. It doesn't matter. If it's got a moving part in it, he can work on it. There's no doubt about it. So anyway, enjoy this video. And I'm going to start it off with the roof mount GoPro, and then finish it with the storm. So they're actually going to be backwards because the storm happened first, but it's going to be played last. Enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget to click that little notification button. Leave us some comments if you think we're doing good, doing bad, doing otherwise. It doesn't matter. Just please keep it polite. It is a G-rated show. Thank you. Bye.
You